Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've had a wide open throttle issue on this car since I've had it, and supposedly the motor's supposed to have 200 miles on it, and the story is that it went to another mechanic and he wanted the car, and the original owner got the car back. I guess the other mechanic wanted to trade him a truck, and when he came to pick up the car, the guy gave him keys. So when I originally looked at the ad, it said 200 miles on the motor. I figured it was new. So I've been working my tail off on it, trying to find this issue. It misfires every time you hit the gas. I feel like unmetered air is entering the car. Well, the upper intake, the problem is it's so sealed on there that it will not come off with all the bolts I pulled, and the whole car moves. So after I fix the headers, I'm hearing this vacuum whine, this leak. And another thing, in previous videos, one of these fuel lines were pinched, and then this piece over it was hiding it. That was one of the issues that I feel like somebody did. Now, today inspecting it, I went ahead and tried to tighten the bolts under the upper intake to try to seal. I feel like there's a vacuum leak on this side or in the back. I put my hand there and it quiets up a little bit. I've used no spray cleaner. I'm doing this by hand, you know. But anyway, I feel like there was a vacuum leak. I went ahead and tightened all these bolts on this side the best I could back with a quarter, and it was a 1/2 inch. I tightened these last time. All of these bolts over here were loose and were not snug tight. So that was one of the issues. All the bolts were loose, and it quieted the vacuum leak down, but the vacuum leak is not totally gone. So I'm going to go ahead and start the car. It is running a little better. I haven't mashed it at wide open throttle to see if the misfire is gone, but I believe it is. I'm going to let the test further. So this is the conclusion of the wide open throttle issue. The intake has to be resealed. I don't believe it's in the heads or the motor. I'm not 100% sure yet. Have not done compression tests yet. So next I could either do a smoke test, but I know where it's coming from now that I've retightened all the bolts. Go ahead and start this joker up for you. It's freaking boiling out here this morning. I'm not mashing the gas or anything. I'm just gonna fire it up on the key. And it's idling different, and I don't feel a misfire, but I haven't really mashed on it. The acceleration is a little bit slow. The alternator flip is programmed on that. Once the motor is warmed up and open loop, closed loop operation, the motor runs a lot better. You can see it's starting to run better already. I've just tightened up these bolts. I took it for a ride, and it's already starting to be. I'm noticing a difference, you know. You can probably still hear a minute vomit. It's not as bad as it was in the last video, but I want to show you. I went ahead and retightened everything, and it's getting better. I think if I seal it, I'll be in good shape. Let me come back here to the inside of the car. It's starting to even sound better, you know. And that was just tightening them up. I'm running low on fuel. So anyway, like, subscribe, and share, and comment, and I think I need to refuel that intake, guys.